Hello, Jan here from Into the Woods. So it's October and it's the last of the raspberries. They're just coming to an end now. They've been prolific this year, they've been fantastic. And I wanted to talk about another way of making gardening easy that I've developed over the years, and that is not bashing my head against a brick wall. So I'm rubbish at growing strawberries. I love strawberries. Every year for the past 30 years I've tried to grow strawberries, and I've tried every method under the sun. I've taken advice, I've watched the programs, I've read the books, and they're just not worth the bother. I've finally decided. And so what I do when I'm struggling to grow something, and I have held out with strawberries because I like them so much, but this year I've given my strawberry plants away, and I've decided I am just not going to bash my head against that particular brick wall. I'll buy strawberries if I want strawberries, and I'm going to stick with the fruits that are easy to grow. So raspberries, they're just so easy. You plant the canes, you give them food. I grow autumn raspberries, so I don't have to go through selecting the canes, which ones to prune and which ones not to prune. I just cut them down at the end of the season and they grow again next season. And look, the freezer is absolutely full of them. We'll be eating these all winter. I tend to use them to make smoothies with. They're absolutely delicious, they're full of goodness, and I haven't had to do any work. I just feed them. Because they're actually a woody plant, they've got deep roots, they don't even need much watering unless it's really dry. They're one of my veggie plant heroes, my fruit plant heroes, and sadly it's goodbye strawberries. I can grow raspberries. I can't grow strawberries. You will have other plants that you can grow well and ones that are difficult for you. And it's such a relief to just stop trying to do something that I'm not very good at and embrace the things that I can do. So here's to raspberries.